Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I already primed and set my eyes, and now I'm going to use the Morphe 3503 palette. I'm going to take that first shade and put it in my crease. The second shade I'm going to put all over my lids. And then the third shade I'm going to put right in the center of my eyes. Quick reminder before we get back into the look, I upload new shorts every Monday and brand new makeup tutorials every Friday. So make sure you subscribe if you want to keep up with all my content. Okay, I already put on my lashes and my moisturizer, and now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To highlight, I'm using Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm using the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter, and I'm using the second shade to bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Honey Translucent to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in 65 Toffee. For blush, I'm using the Almay Healthy Hue Blush in So Peachy. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Highlighter in Too Much. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper, Juvia's Place Matte Lipstick in En Vogue, and the LA Girl Holographic Gloss Topper in Spark of Romance. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the soft brown glam makeup look that I did. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss any of my uploads. See you all in the next video, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.
Summer is finally here. Let's have some fun.